Police has submitted details to the Mount Lavinia Magistrate Court regarding multiple charges including the obstruction of a police officer's duties against Attorney-at-Law Gunaratna Wanninayaka following an incident that took place at the court premises last Friday. Wanninayaka filed a writ petition with the Court of Appeal, which was taken up earlier today by the Court of Appeal bench, consisting of President of Court of Appeal Justice Rohantabe Surya and Justice Priyantha Fernando. President's counsel Faiz Mustafa, appearing on behalf of Wanninayaka, informed the court that his client was prepared to appear before the Mount Lavinia Magistrate Court tomorrow. Lawyers representing both the Attorney General and the Bar Association of Sri Lanka also presented facts during the proceedings. After considering the facts presented, Justice Rohantabe Surya noted that the court does not have the authority to issue directives on whether an individual should be arrested or not, after considering the submissions presented. Court.
A video related to the incident is being circulated. This is a regrettable situation. It is critical to maintain discipline to protect the honor of the legal profession. Without discipline, the respect for this profession will deteriorate. This behavior cannot be accepted. Currently, there is a large community of young lawyers, and if this kind of conduct continues, it could lead to dangerous consequences. The court does not have the authority to issue orders on arrest or release in an ongoing investigation. Such decisions should be made by the investigating officers.
End quote. President of Court of Appeal Justice Abe Surya emphasized that it would be appropriate for the lawyer to appear in court. Court.
Issuing interim restraining orders like this could set a bad precedent. That is improper. Kehel Badra Padme has also filed a petition before this court. Therefore, it is appropriate for the petitioner attorney-at-law to appear before the magistrate's court and clarify this matter.
End quote. The petition will be called up again tomorrow at 10 a.m. Attorney-at-Law Gunaratna Wanninayaka appeared before the Mount Lavinia Magistrates Court. He arrived in court with the President of the Bar Association of Sri Lanka, Attorney-at-Law Rajiv Amarasuriya. Appearing for the suspect attorney-at-law, President's counsel Upul Jayasuriya emphasized that a police officer had assaulted an attorney-at-law. Court.
Your Honour, this is not the first time in the history of Sri Lanka where police officers assaulted lawyers, but this incident escalated into a serious situation. While 95% of police officers are honourable, this incident involves a small group of officers acting in an inappropriate manner. The assault occurred when attorney Gunaratna Wanninayaka and his junior lawyer Sanjeeva Anthony were leaving the court in their vehicle after concluding their case. His junior Sanjeeva Anthony is the individual who was assaulted. There was an exchange of words following the assault. This attack has caused significant damage to the dignity of our profession.
End quote. President's counsel Jayasuriya made a clarification in response to the charges against attorney Wanninayaka. Court.
Section 287 of the Penal Code refers to the singing of obscene songs. This lawyer did not sing any songs at the time. Furthermore, Your Honour, while there are serious underworld gangs that need to be apprehended, they deployed 3 or 4 police teams to arrest him. This is a misuse of police officers' official powers. This is not a conflict between the police and lawyers. This is an issue concerning the dignity of our profession. We had already informed that Attorney-at-Law Gunaratna Wanninayaka would appear before court on the next hearing date. Despite that, the police went to his house without a search warrant. 2 special police teams were checking vehicles at 2 locations along Gall Road, which is uncharacteristic. Those checks were to arrest Gunaratna Wanninayaka. State officers should not act in this manner. There was a likelihood that Gunaratna Wanninayaka could be assaulted or arrested. That is why he appeared in court today along with the President of the Bar Association and a group of lawyers.
End quote. Attorney-at-Law Rajiv Amarasuriya, who appeared on behalf of the Bar Association, made a request to consider the suspect's bail application. Court.
Both the police and lawyers belong in the same system. Your Honour, this situation has arisen within this system. This system was severely damaged through this incident. This has escalated unnecessarily. That should not happen. Your Honour, this is an internal problem. Therefore, this should be resolved.
End quote. Attorney-at-Law Dimuthu Pradeep Jaisingha, appearing on behalf of the Police Legal Division, objected to granting bail to the suspect Gunaratna Wanninayaka. Court.
As the counsels mentioned, this is not a conflict between the police and the lawyers. On the day of the incident, the police officers acted with great restraint. That day, we did not have the opportunity to arrest this lawyer. A fair investigation was carried out and the facts were carefully considered before a B report was submitted to court today. This suspect, the lawyer, did not support the investigation. The day after the incident, he was asked to appear before the police and provide a statement. He did not come. Later, when we went to his place of residence to look for him, he was not there either.
End quote. After considering the facts presented, Mount Lavinia Magistrate Pasan Amrasekhara granted bail to Attorney-at-Law Gunaratna Wanninayaka on two sureties of 500,000 rupees each. The magistrate also stated that if it is revealed that any attempt has been made to influence the witnesses, steps will be taken to cancel the bail.